Ready for an unforgettable summer hike near Interlaken? Let's discover the Swiss Alps like a pro beginner. Interlaken is nestled between beautiful Lake Thun and Lake Brienz, the perfect hiking gateway. Summer here means lush meadows, crystal clear lakes, and vibrant alpine trails. Breathable clothes, sturdy shoes, sun protection, and plenty of water are your hiking essentials. Start easy on the panoramic trail from Männlichen to Schynige for stunning views. For more challenge, try the hike from First to Bachalpsee, featuring a gorgeous alpine lake. Seasoned hikers will love the Schynige Platte to Fallhorn Trail's panoramic mountain views. Don't miss beginner favorites like Harder Kulm Trail, Lauterbrunnen to Stechelberg, and Männlichen Royal Walk. Check current weather on Meteo Swiss to choose the best day for your alpine adventure. Pack energy-rich snacks and refillable water bottles for sustainable hiking enjoyment. Explore more with customizable journeys using the 8-day Swiss Travel Pass Odyssey itinerary. For local travel ease, choose between the Swiss Travel Pass or Berner Oberland Regional Pass. Interlaken offers thrilling activities and peaceful lakeside strolls, perfect after a day on the trails. Seek inspiration from related Swiss aspirations like Jungfrau hiking trails and family fun in Grindelwald. Discover stunning scenic train rides integrated into your itinerary from Lauterbrunnen to Schynige. Experience the Schynige Platte Alpine Herb Garden for unique flora amidst spectacular views. Your summer hike near Interlaken promises awe-inspiring vistas and memories to last a lifetime. Start your Swiss hiking journey with confidence using our beginner-friendly tips and trail recommendations. The Alps in summer are waiting to enchant you, so what are you waiting for? Plan your trip with Swiss Travel Pass, link below.